get this video done. I keep forgetting what I want to say, and that's honestly what it's like being a YouTuber, like forgetting what you're saying and like, oh, I'm gonna cut it out, but what if it doesn't, like, what if it doesn't come out right? That's literally what it's like being a YouTuber, I promise you. Oh my gosh.
Damn, my diamonds cold. Damn, my golden clothes. Walking in, it's a show. Walking in, it's a show. Flashlight, 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 yeah.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Ashanterene. If you guys are new here, for today's video, I'm going to be talking about how this page here blew my small business up and got me up to 300 followers in one day. So if you are new to my channel, or if you've never seen any of my videos, I make a lot of small business talk as well as hair videos for curly hair. So one of my videos in my small business talk playlist, I'll leave the cue card. I don't know what side it comes on, but I'll leave the cue card here as well as the link in the description box below, so you guys can watch this video after you watch this one, okay? Because we're not gonna just skip out on this video. But in one of my previous videos, I had said that you need to use Facebook pages, Instagram, like anything to help promote your business. So actually it was perfect timing, because this business that I have posted, this business had reached out to me, and I'll leave a screenshot of what they had said to me to help blow my business up. So they said they want to work with me, blah blah blah, and I was like, oh my god, yes. So they asked for a little bit of my background, and I went and said like what I wanted to say about who I am and everything like that, and they posted me on their page, and not only did it help grow their page, it helped blow up my page. So this is a prime example of why you also want to reach out to other people to help promote your business, as well as check your emails, check your Instagram messages, check your request box. Anything that has to do with somebody contacting you, you definitely want to make sure that you're reading everything so you don't miss an opportunity for your business to help grow. And the crazy thing about it is I didn't know anything about this page. I know there was a Black San Diego Facebook group page, which I did my own promotion on there, and honestly, from my experience, I didn't really like get too many clientele from that, but from this actual page I did, and I'm so grateful. I was literally like, oh my god, I was freaking out when I was just seeing my like whole page blow up. So this is a great example, and this is exactly why I'm doing today's video. So if you live anywhere in the world, say you live in Oakland, you better be looking to see if there's any local Oakland pages that help promote small businesses, and reach out to them, see if they can promote your business, see if they have a fee, and basically get a lot of feedback from other people as well who have worked with them, because you don't want to get scammed, okay? We're not trying to lose money, we're trying to make money, okay? So definitely do your background check on these pages to see that they are legit, and if they are, I guarantee you your business will grow some following, get some attention, and get you more clientele. So don't be discouraged when it comes to trying to reach out to businesses to try to grow your business. There is no shame in that. There's no embarrassing. I know people who have paid for promo, and their business page blew up, and that's hashtag goals, because I want to get to 10K followers and whatever. And also, there is gonna be people who follow you and then unfollow you, because you know how social media is. People do stuff for like likes and for follows and stuff like that. So don't worry about that. But the biggest thing is make sure that you're doing your job as an entrepreneur and putting yourself out there. It's definitely a part of having a small business. And don't be afraid. Just don't be afraid. These pages are here to help, but also do your background. Ever since they posted my page, my sales were going crazy. My likes were going crazy, and I was able to put more people onto my business page just to show their face, to show that they supported. And one thing that I learned from having my small business is if somebody sees that their friend or their grandma or their daddy or whoever had bought from me, they're more likely to come to me because they have a reference to go talk to somebody then. So that is my tip for the day, my tip and trick for the day. If this helped you, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I don't wanna be your side. Whether be your main thing, let's jump in a pool, let's ride.